Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shin Rodriguez from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 10 hanggang June 16 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, na spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. At kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirits. So let's watch this. Alamin natin at tuklasin ng kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo ang ating mga hagilap. Eto na. So there's a temperance for a perfect timing. Oh my God. And there's a temperance for kalma. Ganon. Kumbaga kailangan mo raw maging kalmado. There's a Knight of Cups with an offer. No? Darating tong maraming offer sa'yo. Malilito ka. Magugulantang ka. Ganon. And because there's the word card. See, there's a travel, guys. Oh my God, may travel dito. And there's a success, no? Additional messages. And because there's an 81. So, double clarification, travel. Oh my goodness. This is something of fast communication, fast movement. At the same thing, guys, meron ditong phone call, messages, email, no? There's a lot of transaction. There's a King of Cups. So, there's a devoted for the person. There is something, father figure here. Additional message with the Queen of Pentacles being practicality pagdating sa finances. Okay. So, let's see what is the temperance. So, there's an 8 of Cups, so something letting go. Now, may mga bagay na kailangan mong bitawan, pakawalan, no? And of course, something na parang surrender sa ating divine. There's a divine timing. So, because there's an 8 of Cups, so moving on, moving forward. The Knight of Cups represent the 5 of Wands. So, see, I told you. Kumbaga, there's a lot of offer, no? At sinasabi dito, there's some competitors, no? Competitions, arguments. So, depende sa situation. Kaya kailangan maging aware, ha? Baka magsilbing complication to. The word card represent the Knight of Swords. So, there's a success driven. So, magsasuccess ka at the end of the time. So, may mga bagay na iikot ang kapalaran for you. The Wheel of Fortune is being blessed and success. The 8 of Wands represent the Empress card, the revert, no? Kumbaga, bubuhayin ulit ang katawan lupa mo dito, no? Magkakaroon ka na ulit ng bagong eksena, bagong simula, or either maaring magkaroon ka ng bagong negosyo o bagong trabaho, no? Baka makapag-travel ka ulit. Or baka makapaglipat ka na ibang bansa, no? Nasa other country ka na no? Especially hindi dito sa Pilipinas, maaring nasa ibang bansa ka na. Then, of course, magpuproceed ka for another country. So, let's see what is the King of Cups. Represent the Sun card. Wow, there's a pure positive outcome. So, maaaring gaganda ng takbo na eksena dito. There's something as sunflower na nag-represent with empowerment. No? Maaaring lalakas at lalago o magkakaroon ka ng something kalakasan dito. And kasi nag-represent the sun with the success. And kasi something or a transformation. The sun card with victory and success. So, let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles. So, there's a star card. Wow! So, star card is an healing, happiness, hope. So, something na parang, kumbaga, merong good sense pagdating sa interview nyo, no? Kumbaga, pagdating sa finances, marunong ka humawak ng pera. Maaaring may mga tao lang talaga sa paligid mo na hindi mo nahihindian. The star card is something, healing and miracles. The temperance, because the 8 of Cups represent what? That everything is fine. So, see? Kumbaga, there's a trust, the timing. So, kailangan mo magtiwala, no, sa ating, kung may kapal, may mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan, bitawan, at kumbaga, you're feeling exhausted dito dahil sa mga naranasan mong paghihirap and sacrifices. Yung parang, alam mo yun, nandun ka na sa nilalaban mo pa kahit na sakit-sakit na. Nandun. So, let's see what is the Knight of Cups. Because the 5 of Wands. Represent the Knight of Wands by slow and steady. Kumbaga, panatiling kalmado. Mahinahon sa mga sitwasyon, no? Huwag ka maging padalos-dalos sa mga offer, ha? With the Six of Swords, transition, na makakaalis ka rin sa situation. There's something information na parang bibilis na ang takbo ng eksena na to. Maaring bibilis na rin yung daloy ng eksena, no? Makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon mo, makakabangon ka, makaka-recover ka na. So, let's see what is that Eight of Wands and the Empress card. So, there's that card. See, a transformation. Wow! Talagang, ang laki ng pasabog na sinasabi ni this is the ending and new beginning. No? Talagang tinapos na eh. No? Yung mga yugto ng kumbaga, alam mo yung parang there's something a phoenix rising from the ashes, no? May nasasagap ako ng water sign, with the Scorpio sign dito, na parang ang lakas ng energy, connected ng Virgo. Okay? So, let's see what is the King of Cups. It's either a person is Scorpio, or, yun nga. There's something rising from the ashes here. Na pagkatapos mo madurog, pagkatapos mo maranasan yung mga kalugmukan, down ka, nung kumbaga, this is the moment na parang iaangat ka na. The King of Cups and the Sun card, represent the Ease of Wands. So, there's a new beginning. Pagdating sa love life, magkakaroon ka din ng bagong eksena. Bagong pag-ibig, bagong kaharutan. Charis. The Queen of Cups and the Star card. Represent the Two of Cups with a partnership. So, kumbaga, there's a something connection. So, maring, kumbaga, paghilom na nangyari sa nakaraan, there's an unconditional love dito, no? Kumbaga, dahil sa nangyari sa from the past, kumbaga, unti-unti nang umihilom, no? Kumbaga, marami ka natutunan. Eventually, marami ka ring part na parang naranasan. Pero, kumbaga, ito yung healing na parang, kumbaga, parang nawala yung sugat o pilat ng nakaraan eh. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the High Priestess. So, there's something a mystery. Yung parang akala mo, alam mo na yung mangyayari. Yung akala mo, alam mo na yung kay hinatnan ng storya mo. No, it's not yet to come. Di mo pa alam ang totoong ganap. The Five of Cups is our reverse now, okay? So, there's a no doubt, no regret, or no, ibig sabihin dito na maaring pinunan na lahat ng mga bagay na pagkukulang. Ganon. Kumbaga, etong tao na to ang magpupuno sa'yo ng pagkukulang niya or pagkukulang ng taong nakaraan mong minahal, o ito yung tao magpapatunay sa'yo na see, there's a destiny. Talagang magpapatunay sa'yo love can exist. There's a magician for a manifestation with the power of God. This is a parang gift from the universe itong tao na to, no? Ibinigay sa'yo dahil nakatadhana kayo. Ibinigay sa'yo dahil inilaan sa'yo. Itong binigay itong tao na to para pakita sa'yo na kumbaga may taong tatanggap at mamahalin ka. Kung sino ka man, no? Additional messages about sa career. Career finances, let's see. The Fool card, no, there's a new beginning and there's a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka na pagdating sa career mo. Na pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, mo, magtatagumpay ka na. Additional messages about sa love life. Ten of Wands. So, there's an obligation, responsibilities. Oh my God! Tapos na daw yung mga obligation, responsibilidad. There's an Ace of Cups for a new love. Oh my God! And there's a new offer or something, yung bagong kilig or babalik yung kilig. And the Queen of Swords, the bigger picture. Itong taon na to parang tinitignan niya yung relasyon nyo, kung paano mag-expand, kung paano kayo mag-grow together. Ganon. Itong taon na to Iba yung talas ng utak nito, ha? Very, matured. Additional messages about sa health. This is a tower moment for a major changes. Na magbabago din yung health mo. No more stress. So, there's a King of Pentacles, secure. Magiging secure na about sa health mo. Kumbaga, magiging maganda na ang takbo na eksena. Ang galing ng bali nito, ha? No more negative energy for black magic. So, it's all a good energy lahat, ha? Ang ganda. Parang may something twist and something shift na binangyari, no? Additional magical fairy messages. There's a dietary change. So, kailangan mo rin mag-diet. Kailangan mo baguhin or mag-improve about sa health mo. And there's a flower power. So, something healing, no? There's a personal healing power. So, something like that. Parang, there's an emotional, physical healing, guys. Kumbaga, itong mamumukadkad ka ulit at mamumulaklak. Ganon. Parang, alam mo yung parang there's a fresh flower. Yung fresh yung flower. Alam mo yung bulaklak na parang, ang bango-bango na sariwang, ang bango-bango at sariwa. Ganon. Kumbaga, mababalik yung ganong halimuyak mo, ti. So, let's see. Or kuya, guys, ha. Parang mababalik yung sigla mo, ganon. So, let's see what is synchronicities. For synchronicities, no? There's the artist. Mag-ingat ka ha. Maraming magdadrama dito. Maraming dramatically actress or actor dito. And there's a speed. No? Bibilis ang takbo ng eksena. And there's a block. See, kailangan mo na i-block yung past person. Or either, yung nagbibigay negatibo sa buhay mo. No? Hindi mo kailangan i-insist sa buhay mo yan. Kailangan burahin yan. Alisin. For yin and yang oracle card, represent what? And there's a guilt and sabotage. So, maraming may galit, sinasabotahe ka, no? Or naiinis sa'yo. And there's a something lost. And rejection, no? Kailangan mong i-reject, no? Yung mga tao na yan, there's a something lost. Yung parang pinakawalan ka, iniwan ka, wag mo na hayaan bumalik pa. Ancestor guides, no? Ancestor, no? Spirit guides na parang ginagabayan ka ng mga mahal mo sa buhay na yumao. So, let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael, let's see what is additional messages. Guarded and protected, no? Ginagabayan, pinoprotektahan ka raw ng ating mga gabay dito. Guarded and protected, and you and your loved ones are safe. So, safe naman daw yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. And of course, take your time to make a decision. Kailangan mo ng oras bago ka magdesisyon sa isang bagay. Parang walang aw sa pao, diba? Hindi ka magsisisi, hindi ka manghihinayang. So, let's see what is a chakra. Ang ganda. Parang na-sense ko dito, parang ang gaang. Parang ibang bali sa eksena to eh. There's a new ship eh. Grabe. Additional chakra messages. So, there's a bittersweet. See? Kung ano yung pait ng mga naranasan mo sa nakaraan mo, and this is the sweetness. Oh my God. And of course, there is a something perception. No? Babaguhin yung mindset mo dito. Ang ganda. Alam nyo guys, there is a something... a new you, a brand new you. Parang ganon. Brand new start. And there's a worth waiting for. See, talagang worth it yung paghihintay mo. May mga tao nagdaan sa'yo, minahal ka, ginangster ka, ginosting ka, pinabandon na ka. This is the moment na tatanggapin ka whoever you are. And kung baga, kung sino ka man, kung sino ka man, o saan ka mang galing, ganon. And there's a flirt, so kailangan mong humarot. Harot-harotin mo siya. Gusto niya yung hinaharot-harot mo siya. Char. So let's see what is additional messages. Mahilig to sa ano, parang gusto niya yung ano, yung parang pinapakita mo yung love and care mo sa kanya. So let's see. And there's the thinking woman, no? Kumbaga itong tao na to, if you are a woman, no, maaaring overthinking ka, or yung person mo ay babae, overthinking siya. And there's a something victory, na magtatagumpay kayo. Or magtatagumpay ka. So let's see what is the Moodsology. Hold your vision. So, kung yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari, panghawakan mo yun. May posibleng mangyari. And there, of course, that time to give rather than take. Mas maganda ikaw yung nagbibigay ng oras kaysa ikaw yung humihingi. Ikaw yung hinihingian. And of course, have faith in your dreams. So, magtiwala ka sa mga pangarap mo. And work through your fears. So, kailangan mo labanan ang takot at pangamba mo. Diba? Kailangan palaban ka dito, ha? Ang ganda ng reading na to, guys. Parang, iba to sa mga na-reading ko. Parang, ang ganda ng energy na to. And there is an ask from help from others. So, kailangan mo ng tulong din ng ibang tao, no? And of course, there is an it's up to you. Nasa sa'yo na yan. Diba? Kailangan mo rin makasalamuhan ng ibang tao. Pero eventually, syempre, marunong ka na kung paano mo poprotection ng grounds mo, eh. And there is a cleansing and clarity, no? Kung mag-cleansing ka rin, no? Linisin yung sarili mo, yung nasa paligid mo. And there's a past life, so there's a review, no? Parang nire-review lang sa yung mga bagay na dapat ay nangyari, mga bagay na mangyayari. So, let's see. So, there is a something journey, trouble. Talaga may trouble, guys, ha? Talagang may something na pagbabago sa tatahaki mo landas dito, something journey mo. There's a path, oh. This is a right path for you. My God. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a success. So, kanina, victory and success. Talagang ang gaganda ng energy mo, guys. And there's a denial, no? I-acknowledge mo yung fear and of course, replace mo yung awareness. So, hindi sa natatakot ka, nangangamba or something. Kumbaga, nag-iingat ka lang. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a children, so baka may kinalaman ng mga anak mo or something involvement ng mga anak mo dito. And because there's a trouble. Oh my God, there's a double clarification that there's a travel, ha. Maring mag-around the world ka, guys, ha. Maraming ganap sa'yo dito, ha. Additional messages. And there is a lifting the veil. So, there's a questioning everything. Kumbaga, wala ka nang tatanungin pa sa sarili mo o kaganapan sa buhay mo. Ngayon, kumbaga, dati kasi nagtatanong ka bakit ako? Bakit ganito? Ano nangyayari sa akin? Bakit ganyan binibigay mo? Kumbaga, nagko-question ka kagad. Pero dito, parang wala ka nang itatanong. And of course, there's a remember, there's a soul plan. See? Plano talaga ng ating pong may kapal. This is the fated life and versus the destiny life. Talagang connected talaga. Lahat na nangyari sa'yo, this is the harvest time. My goodness. Let's see what is Arcangel Raphael. Do more research. So, kailangan mo tuklasin pa, alamin mo pa yung paano ka, yung makakadagdag pa sa inyong dalawa. No? Kung paano kayo mag-grow together, paano nyo magiging healthy yung relationship, paano magiging healthy yung buhay nyo, pagdating sa finances and love life and career. No, ang galing. Kumbaga, magtutuklas or something discover pa kayo dito. Jesus' loving quote said, nothing shall be impossible to you. Pagdating sa'yo, walang imposible. No? Lahat ng mga bagay dito ay posible sa'yo. Ang ganda. My goodness. What is the angel's number represent what? Angel's number represent what? 08084 swift action. So there's a wealth, empathy, and promises, commitment, and affections, inner strength. Oh my goodness talaga. You will enter a time of expansion. So begin taking steps towards achieving your ultimate objective immediately. Finances will miraculously improve. Oh, and somebody has their mind set on you. See, I told you, there's a miraculous. It's something miracle na nangyari sa buhay mo. Ito yung sinasabi na parang babaguhin Babaguhin talaga yung sitwasyon mo sa nakaraan, sa kasalukuyang sitwasyon mo. Parang babaguhin yung nakaraan sa mangyayari sa hinaharap. My goodness. Grabe. Iba tong pagbabago to, ha. Iba. Yung bigla kang iaangat. Grabe to. And because there's a messages of life for progress. Oh my God. Kaya pala, there's a process of progress. Nandun ka na sa progreso. No? Kumbaga, nasa step by step ka na kumbaga talagang tinutupad mo. O unti-unti mo na nakakamit o unti-unti mo na nararanasan. Keep holding the vision. It's happening now. And each day, as I recognize the divine with me, I progress further along the path of my spirit. Today, I respect my needs, observe what happened within, and do my best to maintain a positive attitude. I have faith in my inner strength and capabilities grow and improve every day. Today, God's opinion of me is the opinion that matters. So, see, kumbaga talagang magaganap na. Ito na, unti-unti mo nang malalasap. Unti-unti mo na mararamdaman ng pagbabago na magaganap. My goodness. So, guys, ang ganda. Gusto ko itong no? There's an extension, guys. Gusto ko siyang magkaroon na extension. So, sige, gagawin ko to na extension na, ha. So, guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 10 hanggang June 16 for the sign of Virgo. So, Virgo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawa pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapawan at biyaya manumbalik sa inyo. So maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!